Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, November 30, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, November 30, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong November 30, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, November 30, 2024. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates for Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for November 30, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, November 30, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.